Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I am participating in a collab. But before I get to that, I want to brag on my little doll. I bought her cheap at either a garage sale or a thrift store. I don't remember. Her hair was like pretty bad, and I got it all straightened out. And in fact, before the video, I was thinking about putting her in pigtails, and I thought, you know what? Oops, I just don't want to do that. And I put her in some little shoes from AliExpress for 14-inch dolls. I think they turned out well, but I just wanted to brag on her hair before I got to talking about it and forgot. I am doing a collab this morning with several other channels. And when you do a collab, it's really important for you to mention each of the other people that are participating in the collab. For one thing, they're going to be saying your name on their channel and giving a link to your channel, and you should do the same for them. This was a fun collab. People participating, let me do that first, is Gosia from Dolls, Trolls, and More, Lorraine from Serenata, J Dolls UK, Tracy, who changed her name recently to Eclectic Wanderings, Gigi Ma Mel, Karyn at Starts and Stitches, Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse, It's a Stroke of Life, Melissa, Joanne Stop Motion, Haydee Garfio, I said that wrong, I apologize. Holly's Dolly Hobby, isn't that the cutest? Say that fast like 4 times. Mecca at Princess My Hand, and Tina from Tina's Reborns and More. And what we did is, I had these patterns for 14-inch dolls. This is basically the same, it is the same pattern. And some of you got a pattern that looked like that, and some of you got a pattern that looked like this. But the outfit we were gonna do is this D, I think it is, or is it B? D. And then A on this pattern with the pants cut off in capris. Very, very simple outfit. I use this doll rather than a welly wisher just because I got her so inexpensively and rescued her, and I want to encourage people to do that and then sew for them. This was such a simple outfit. The top is a knit. Yeah, it is a Halloween print, but I just bought this. I got it on sale. I thought it was cute. And then the little capris, I just used some inexpensive, it's already cut, the Walmart solids. I have a lot of these. I use them more than you think. I always seem to be reaching for them and out of them. But I just put Velcro all the way up the back. If you ever notice my Velcro, I nail it down. And usually, if you look here, that is not a mistake. It's that I forgot what I was sewing for. I used to make backpacking equipment, camping equipment, horse equipment, llamas, horses, dogs. And when you put your Velcro in for all of those or any of those, you really nail it down. A lot of times you'll see on my dolls that, you know, about 1/2 inch down, there's a back and forth and a back and forth. And that's because I used to nail everything with my sewing machine. Anyway, it was such a fun collab. I love doing this because it's so fun to see what each person does with their own dolls, what dolls they use, and fabrics and any trims. I added this orange just to make that orange within the fabric pop. I threw some lace on there. Please go and watch all the other channels. They put a lot of work into it. It may have been an easy pattern, but they took the time to do it. Thank you each for joining in. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.